Things aren't too good when that happens. Freddie cops it, fortunately, in the shoulder. That's nasty. And give Jacob Oram the benefit of the doubt here. That slipped, and they make up very quickly.
Yeah, they do. Lucky it was only 128k, not 158. Oram trying to bowl the Yorker. Oh, that's nasty. Really nasty from a batting point of view. That height nearly cleaned him up. Straight away it was called no ball, but straight away Jacob Oram went up to Freddie and said, sorry mate, you've just belted me for 6. Stay in your crease, son.
Twice. Well, that means Jacob Oram has had an official warning. Does that
the series against Australia.
Oh, it's ripped into the gloves.
South Africa's captain Graham Smith breaks his hand and retires hurt.
Well, he's a tough man, and he immediately showed the pain.
Only to courageously return and push through the pain barrier in the hope of saving the match.
Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute, what's happening? Graham Smith is coming out the back. A series that has gripped us from first to last continues to do so. The drama is by no means done. This is a mighty figure. One of the great men of the modern game, and Sydney is standing to him.
And the Sydney crowd really appreciating Graham Smith's courage to come out and bat for his country. The captain leading the front like he has all series.
His right arm is the problem. That's the one that grips the bat. McDonald now. Oh, and he survives. The Parentini, unbeaten with 16, is on strike to Doug Bollinger. Oh, and he's actually... Matthew Hayden's now dropped it. You can't credit this. No. Every picture tells its story.
After this over, 3 overs at each end, or 26 minutes. Wow, this is unbelievable.
Well played, very well played. It will have hurt. It will have really hurt, but it is magnificently well played. 1 ball left in this over. Smith survives it. Staggering scenes at the Sydney Cricket Ground. It's 9 for 257. Remember, that bottom hand is broken.
No bounce.
Oh, he did it! Mitchell Johnson's done it!
Close. That's gone. Peter Manuel has raised the finger. Andrew Simons is not happy. Perhaps he's got some wood on it.
My God, he smashed that. Unhappy? Goodness gracious me. Look at this. He's smashed it into his pads. He's going to hit middle, of course. Look at that. He said, oh my God, what? We heard it from here in the stumps, Mike, but there you go. Nothing you can do about it, son. You got to move. He's gone for 10. LBW Dharmasena. It's now 190 for 5. This is incredible. What a magnificent gesture.
Well, I think what's happened here is Peter Manuel, after he raised the finger and saw the reaction of the players, and
That blistering 100 there. So many of them. Now he's gloved it through to the keeper, and he's walked. It looked like it came off the glove. It did. And never waits for the finger to be raised. Adam Gilchrist is a walker. And that's a bonus, because that wasn't a great delivery.
It's almost a wide. In fact, Steve Davis is having a good look, and Gilby turned and went. So that's the end about Adam Gilchrist, and one day internationals at the Gabba getting a magnificent ovation. But that's a big wicket.